Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. A 9-man Bafana Bafana team fell to a 2-0 loss to Mexico in the tournament opener at the iconic Estadio Azteca on Thursday, the 11th of June 2026. Goals came courtesy of Julian Quinones and Raul Jimenez, ensuring that Mexico walks away with the maximum point after a dominant display for Javier Aguirre's players. What stole the show was the formation that Hugo Bros started with. When people saw the formation and the players that he came with, everyone started complaining. Hugo Bros opted for a 5-3-2 formation with no wingers, with no number 10s, so no creativity, we just come there to defend. It was a clear indication that he wanted to defend and just play on a counter-attack with those two forwards. And as expected, Mexico dominated position until they managed to score. And if it wasn't for Ronwen Williams' saves, Bafana Bafana would have gone to halftime trailing probably by 3-0. He made some crucial saves. However, we saw that the team lacked any creativity. Players, they didn't know what to do. We didn't have pace. We didn't have composure. Yeah, it was just a mess. I don't know what was going on. And then come to the second half, Hugo Bros decides that he's not changing the squad. He came the way it is. And then guess what? 3 minutes into the game, Spepelos Tolle got a red card. And then Hugo Bros substituted Lyle Foster for Talentembat, meaning that we only had Ikrem Reynas as the only attacking player. 8 defensive players. It was a mess, honestly. It was a mess. What do you think Hugo Bros was thinking when he selected that lineup and also with his changes? A lot of people were saying that we need the likes of your Relebohile Mofokeng and Ozwin Apolis for creativity. And Apolis came and we saw that he was lively. But since we were one man down, he decided not to bring in Mofokeng. So yeah, and then Themba Zwane got a second red card, which I thought it was harsh. Honestly, I thought it was harsh. And then later on, just before the game ended, Mexico also got a red card. So it was 3 red cards in the first opening match. So it shows the kind of physicality the match had. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Bafana Bafana's chances right now? Do you think that they'll be able to get at least enough points for them to progress to the round of 32 in the upcoming games? Because they are playing the Czech Republic, and then after that they are playing South Korea. So do you think that in those 2 games maybe they'll get a result that will help them to qualify for the knockout stages? Do you have hope? And also in the next game, do you think that Hugo Bros will definitely maybe let go of his defensive structure and try to play offensive football so that Bafana Bafana can get results? Because right now I doubt if playing for a draw will be able to help Bafana Bafana. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think went wrong in today's game? Mexico 2, Bafana Bafana 0.